What's up, finders? So I have a blackhead remover, first time using it, and we're going to look at my pores and we're going to suck these out. I'm driving. I'm getting tired, you guys, of scrubbing my face and you still see the blackheads or the whiteheads on my face. So I decided to get a little suction. Start sucking out my pores. I steam my face. So I gotta put a hot towel on my face. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving. It is also recommended that don't hold it for no longer than 2 seconds in each spot. So with this face vacuum, it comes with different suction caps. So I'm nervous and I'm excited. So we cut this on. I'm driving. I'm driving. So I sucked my face and I think I did it too hard, too much. So I'm red in some places. It told me not to go over it more than 2 seconds. It applies, but you see, you guys, I'm red, really red, and my skin hurts. That really hurt, and I had it on medium, and I think I may cut it up to high, because once I saw how my skin looked on the camera, I was like, oh my gosh. So I feel better, you guys. My skin feel better, but it's a little sore when I touch it. Wow, that's really sore. Yeah, sore. So it said do not do this more than 2 times a week. So I probably do it like another 2 weeks. But yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'm going to take care of my skin, and I'll see you on the next video, finders.